Tonight I'm making tomato bacon jam. Maybe you've never heard of it. It's a condiment, it goes great on a lot of different foods. I'm going to make it for you right now. First thing I'm going to do is chop up my tomatoes, just a little bit smaller. You can choose any kind of tomatoes you want, whatever's your favorite. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to chop is my bacon, because this is a tomato bacon jam. I'm going to cook the tomatoes in the pot, but I'm going to cook the bacon in a pan. Okay, I'm going to add my tomatoes to my pot. I'm going to cook those. So this pan's for the bacon. So this is going to take a few minutes. This is actually the longest part of the recipe, is as the tomatoes cook down, we'll add our other ingredients. And we'll be back. I'm going to add our chopped onions. Now I've cut this recipe in half for us because I already made some of this the other day to try out the recipe, and it's really good. So tonight I'm just making a half recipe. I've got apple cider vinegar. Got sugar. Salt and pepper. So now I'm cooking the bacon. So I want it to be crispy before we're going to add it to the pot that has the tomato mixture in it. But I am going to drain it first. Okay, I'll let it keep cooking. But it is cooking down, so don't be worried that it's watery. It will thicken as it continues to cook, and it will thicken over time as well. I wanted to show you that it has reduced down. You can tell by the lines on the inside of the pot from where we started to where we are now. So I'm adding the bacon grease. That's totally optional. You don't have to. And now I'm adding the bacon. So it's definitely starting to thicken. We're now ready to eat tomato bacon jam. But first I want to say we put it on top of our burgers. And I've also put it on top of macaroni and cheese. I had some left over because I tried it yesterday and it was really good. It was really good. And then you can even have it with crackers and cream cheese and put some cream cheese on and put some jam on it, and it'd be perfect. So now we're going to try, of course, the recipe's in the description box. Do you want more jam? I wasn't sure how much to put on.
I think it's good right now.
Okay. Mark just cooked up these burgers. I'm going to need more.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
This
Wow,
is,
wow, wow.
I wasn't so sure when Brigita pitched this idea to me. Oh, it is so delicious.
It is. So it's a new condiment. So not just ketchup and mustard anymore?
Never had a chutney before.
No, I never have either.
Don't know what I've been missing out my whole life, but
I
I've
might
been
have
missing
had
this.
a chutney before, but I can't remember. This is really good.
Holy cow, that's great.
You could store it in a jar like this. Keep it in your fridge. It'll last a while.
Cheers.
Oh, I forgot my hat. I forgot. I was supposed to wear my hat.
To all my hamster friends, thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. How's it looking?
Very good.
Okay.
Brigita and some of our friends were nice enough to cook for our amateur radio club here locally for field day, and we had a blast, and we ate like kings.
Yes.
You should make this for next year. This is really good.
That's a thought.
Well, please give this a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And Brigita will be encouraged to make many more wonderful things for us to try and expand my palate so that I can
For both of us, really.
try some cool new stuff. This is really delicious.
And don't forget, new videos every Sunday.
That's right.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you taking the time out of your day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Very good. Very good.
Wow. Try it with the macaroni and cheese.
That was good.